Hello, today we are going to be talking about the least common multiple. Our essential question for today is how do you find the least common multiple, or the LCM, of two numbers? Multiples are numbers you get after you multiply a number by an integer. For example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. The least common multiple is the smallest number other than 0 that is multiplied, the multiple of 2 or more given numbers. So let's look at example number 1. We're going to list the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 10. So for 6, it is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. For 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. For both 6 and 10, there are more multiples than I listed. However, I have found one they have in common, so I can stop. The smallest number that both 6 and 10 have in common is 30. So 30 is the least common multiple of 6 and 10. Another example is to list the multiples of 4 and 9. So 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. Our multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and so on. That 8 I listed originally should be a 9. We look for the smallest number they have in common, which is 36, and that is our least common multiple. We can also do this in form of a word problem. So, for example, a store is holding a grand opening promotion. For every third customer receives a free keychain, and every fourth customer receives a free magnet. Which customer will be the first to receive both the keychain and the magnet? To find this, we find the multiples of 3, which are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and so on. We also find the multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40, and so on. So now we find the least common multiple of 3 and 4. And that is the customer who will receive the keychain and the magnet. The smallest multiple of both is 24. Therefore, the 24th customer will receive the keychain and the magnet. Now, I would like for you to try to find the multiples of 12 and 30 and find the least common multiple that they both share. All right, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72, and so on. Multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90, 120, and so on. The smallest number that they both have in common is 60. So 60 is the least common multiple for 12 and 30. Next, I would like for you to try the word problem on your own. All right, the example word problem says, at a restaurant, after every 12th visit, you receive a free beverage. After every 15th visit, you receive a free dessert. At which visit will you first receive a free beverage and a dessert? To find this answer, we need to find the multiples of 12 and the multiples of 15. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, and so on. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and so on. To find the LCM of 12 and 15, I need to find the smallest number they have in common, and this will be the first opportunity for a customer to receive a free beverage and a dessert. The LCM is 60, so it would take 60 visits for you to have a free beverage and a free dessert. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. We'll talk more about your questions in class when I see you next.